Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is gonna be a haul and try on of waist trainers and shapewear. So if you have been looking for some pieces, if you're just trying to get right for the summertime, or if you just need some of these items, then check out this video. I'm gonna try on everything so you can see how it fits on me and describe to you what each item is and all of that. So keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so all of these items are from Femme Shapewear. This is how one of the bags looks. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's Femme Shapewear. And I got all of my items in a small. So the website is femmeshapewear.com. I will link their information down below, but this is the cord. So super cute, and they sent me several different options, so I tried on everything that I got, just because they do have a lot of options. So I think some of these are good for working out, some are good more so like maybe if you want to wear it under an item, and just different things like that. So the first one that I'm going to start with is the Brace and Support Neoprene Sweat Belt Waist Trainer. Is this one. I got red. They actually do come in several colors. I didn't pick the color, they just picked it for me, but I got everything in a small, and I will tell you how everything fits on me. Just because some of my other trainers are small, I said that I needed a small, but some of them were a little tighter than what I imagined them to be, but some of them I did need a small. Like this one totally fits fine in a small, which you will see me try and get on the side. But this is how it looks, and it does have boning in it, like to help support your back. So I feel like this one is more so definitely a brace, and it can probably also help to make your stomach sweat. And it's really easy to put on, like to go to the gym. It just opens up here and like this, so you basically just wrap it around and Velcro it into place, and you're done. Like super fast and easy. I love stuff like this because you don't have to latch all of those hooks and stuff. But yeah, this is how this one looks. And let me just see what the description says online. Their description is really long, so I'm not going to even read all of that. But it says that you can use it at home or like at the gym for exercises. Like I was saying, I feel like it's a great support. Also will be good like if you're doing weights and stuff like that. Because it's just going to help keep your back straight. So yeah, that is this one. Real cute, real easy. I like stuff that's easy to put on. Oh, and actually I just realized that it actually does come a loose here as well. I didn't adjust these when I tried it on, but I just realized that it has these that Velcro as well. So it has two of these. So this comes a loose, and then this comes a loose as well. So you can Velcro this part tighter also, and then the main piece. So that's even better because it's going to fit even more snug. I just realized that it had that extra piece on it. The next one that I have is the Extreme Waist Trainer, and this one is 3 hooks, and it is a black 100% latex. So I have had waist trainers like this in the past, and these are probably like my most aggressive type of waist trainers that I have ever used, other than like corseting and stuff like that. So this one I got in a small as well, and it was a little tricky to put on, but I do like to get a small. I started with the loosest hook, or the one that's, you know, all the way over here, and then eventually after wearing it for a while I will go over and over and over. So yeah, because sometimes like if I get a medium, it's just too big and it's not really doing anything. So I prefer to get a small and maybe struggle a little bit to put it on, but you know, it's up to you. They definitely have where you can measure your waist and find out what size you need. I got this one in a small as well, and this is a latex waist trainer. This one says that it can be worn under clothes as a little secret to an amazing shape or for workouts. This one can bend, so you know you can still wear this one while doing sit-ups and stuff like that. And since it has the latex, it is going to allow your stomach to sweat more so that you can lose more off of your stomach. So yeah, that's pretty much this one. I got it in a small, and it comes in extra small up to a 5X, so that's really good. But yeah, this one just comes with 3 different rows of hooks. So I started off with this row, and then like I said, gradually the more you wear it, you will get to the last hook, which means that you got your waist nice and slim. Y'all know I just had a baby, so I definitely want to start my waist training journey again, because my little garment that I wore after pregnancy, like, it definitely helped, but I want to start training again. So that is that one. Next one that I got is the Zip and Fasten Neoprene waist trainer, 2 Velcro belts in gray and black. So I really like this one because it's really comfortable, and sometimes I even like to wear some of these to sleep. Maybe not recommended, but yeah, some of them, the ones that are more comfortable, I will sleep in them sometimes. So this one is more comfortable, and this is the kind that I like to wear at home, just like on a regular day, because it's not too aggressive and hurting or anything. So this one just zips up the front, and then you have 2 Velcro straps that go across. Kind of how it looks with the straps Velcroed, and it just zips up the middle, so you don't have to fasten any hooks or anything like that. So it's really easy and fast to put on, and I really love these kind because I feel like they definitely do help to make a difference, but they're still comfortable to wear at the same time. So maybe you may want to start off with something like this first and then switch to this, because this one is definitely more aggressive, but if you want to see faster results, then I feel like this one works faster. Just my opinion, not necessarily what they say on the website, but just from my experience. I've had waist trainers like this with the latex, and I've also have them like this as well. So those are just more comfortable, and also these are really good for working out because they're bendable. Your stomach is also going to sweat more just because you have something extra on it, and you can still work out and bend and move and everything like that. This one says that you can wear it under clothes if you would like to as well. Like sometimes at the gym, whenever I would wear mine that's similar to this, depending, like if I want to put a t-shirt on, you can wear it underneath and it can kind of be camouflaged. But some other workout outfits that were more tight, I would just put it on top and have it, you know, where it's out to be seen. I don't really care. But yeah, like under a dress or something like that, I wouldn't recommend. But if you're gonna put on like a t-shirt, you can probably kind of camouflage it. And all of these waist trainers, like whenever I used to work and wear scrubs to work, you can definitely put on a waist trainer and hide it, so it's really easy to wear them daily at work if you wear like a uniform or something kind of similar to that that's a little bit looser. So yeah, just a tip if you want to train while you're at work, it's kind of easy to hide under like scrubs and stuff like that, because I used to do it all the time. So that is that one. This next one is the Zip and Clip Neoprene Waist Trainer Vest. So this one actually has straps on it. I feel like this one is going to stay up more. I didn't adjust it on this side, but this one is going to stay up more because it's not going to slide down at all. Like some of the other ones, if you're moving around and doing a lot, I find that they stay in place pretty good. But this one is not going to move whatsoever because you have straps to hold it up. So if you're doing a lot and you feel like yours is going to move, then maybe this one will be more right for you. And this one does have the hooks on the inside, and then it also does zip up as well. And some people like to wear these under clothing and like dresses and stuff like that as well. This one was a little tighter and harder to put on. So some of these, like this one, and I think the next one I'm going to show you, I probably should have got a medium, but I could definitely still fit it. It's just a struggle. So yeah, that is this one, and it does have straps and they are adjustable. It's basically just like a thicker bra strap, and it's nice and thick, so it's not going to dig into your skin, and it will sit up and hold into place better. It's not going to slide down or anything like that. So that is this one. Everything is a size small once again. This last one is called the Zip and Clip Strapless Neoprene Waist Trainer. So it's basically this same thing like what I just showed you that has the straps, but this one doesn't have straps. So it's the same thing. It has the 3 rows, and you would clip it into place, and then you have the zipper. And like I said, on both of these, I probably should have got a medium because they are quite difficult to put on, but they still work. Like I definitely still got it on and everything like that. So these are probably going to be super aggressive, you know, as far as wearing them, since they are a little smaller for me. But yeah, that is this one. So once again, you could wear this under clothing or for working out or whatever. I typically like to wear all of mine just at home. Some of them I will sleep in sometimes, or just wear them throughout the day at home whenever I'm not really doing anything, but I don't typically wear mine as shapewear, if you will. So yeah, and then the last one that I got is actually a posture corrector, so it definitely helps to keep your shoulders up, and you will see that in the try on portion. So you can put this with any of the trainers. So like if you have issues with slumping over, maybe you're doing weights and you want to try to get your posture better, or just at work every day, you know, you can put this underneath your clothes or whatever. It just corrects your posture. So basically this just goes over your shoulders, and this part goes on your back, and it just kind of keeps your shoulders back and up so that you can have good posture. So yeah, really simple. That's basically what this one is. And like I said, you could wear this one with any of the trainers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely check out Femme Shapewear. I will leave all of the links for these items down below, as well as their website, any discount codes or anything like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.